Hello, girls and boys. It's me, a Dookie, with Y, and you are watching Learning Haven. Yes, Learning Haven is coming back real soon. But first, we need to learn how to make our flashcards. Yep. We will use these flashcards on Mondays when we're having our letter learning and coloring sessions. So are you ready to make them? Let's get creative. Come on, let's go learn how to make our flashcards. Let's go. To create our flashcards, here's what we need. A pair of scissors, some firm paper. I chose this purple colored firm paper, but you can choose any color you like. Glue and our printable sheets. You can find these printable sheets to download in the description box below for free. Now let's get ready to create. But wait a minute. You need an adult to help you put everything together. And then we can start creating. Always get help from an adult when you have to use a pair of scissors. If you're ready, with an adult to help you, a pair of scissors, glue, our firm paper, and your printable sheets, let's create our flashcards. To create the flashcards, you'll need 4 printable sheets. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Be sure to print out 4 sheets once you click on the link and download the printable sheets. Now that we've stuck all our 4 A4 sheets on our firm paper, it's time to cut. While you cut, be sure to cut slightly outside the borderline. That way we can keep our flashcards pretty and neat. Cut like this. we have our flashcards all ready. Let's put them together. We have QRS T. QRST. Then we have U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Our flashcards are ready. And now I present to you our flashcards. Parents, you can take a photo of our flashcards and share them on your Instagram stories. Tag me at Storytime Haven. I would love to see them. So, now that we have our flashcards, we're ready to learn on Learning Haven. I will see you real soon. See ya! Don't forget to keep smiling and shining. See you next time.